I have a bit of an unfortunate update on the ARC, as you can probably tell from the title of this video. The last couple of weeks I've posted a lot of content on the Turbo X, but now it has come time to post some unfortunate content on the ARC, and I will have some more content on this car coming once I get it fixed, but as you can tell from the title of this video, it's not currently running. So the car has been sitting here for the last week or so. I'll get to what is going on with it in a minute after I do a shameless plug on my new merch. This is for you classic Saab lovers, a 900 SPG shirt. If you're interested in purchasing it, go ahead and click the link at the top of the description and purchase one for yourself and help support the channel and the repairs for my Saabs. So let me give you all a rundown on what's been going on with the ARC. Basically, when I came home from work a couple weeks ago, right when I pulled in the neighborhood, the ABS light came on, and of course that is never good. So I got home, tried to turn the car on, and I'll show you what happened actually. And another problem I've been having, everything unlocks except for this driver's door. To unlock the driver's door, I have to pull the physical key out and unlock it. The window doesn't work on this door either, so I think it might be something related to the entire door, but at the end of the day, what do I know? I don't know. So that's like a secondary issue that's been going on with the car, but the primary issue, as I'll show you right here, I get 2 clicks and that's it, no start. Which, after that, I checked the battery voltage. The battery was at 9 volts. So that, of course, no bueno. So of course your immediate reaction is, oh, the battery's bad, right? But this battery is actually a month old. I got a new battery, you might remember, when I got the car back, and when I started, or when I did all the other repairs to it, it needed a new battery, so I got a new battery for it. So the battery is less than a month old. Now you might also say, oh yeah, you know, every now and then you get a bad battery, and I thought that, so I was considering taking it back to where I bought it, and of course it has a warranty on it, so I would get a new one for free. But instead of doing that, I took the battery out, charged it on a trickle charger for a couple days, got it back up to 13 or so volts where it should be. Car started back up just like it should. So I actually ended up running to the junkyard and buying another ABS module in a hurry, because a new ABS module is like $1,000 or something crazy like that. So I went to the junkyard, bought a replacement ABS module, installed that real quick, and the car didn't start, of course, because the battery was bad. So I charged the battery like I said, with a new ABS module, tried to start it. It started right up with the charged battery, no ABS light or anything. And at that point I drove the car around for a couple days. It was completely fine. Pulled back in one day and ABS light popped on right before I pulled into the driveway again. So that's where it sits right now. Now that the battery is, of course, at 9 volts or whatever, the battery is low again. This has happened twice now. I'm pretty convinced that the alternator is bad. So I have a new alternator sitting in the garage over there that I will be putting in the car. And one more interesting twist I might add to this is that I had my buddy come over and look at it with a Tech 2, and the Tech 2 couldn't even read what was wrong with the car. It wouldn't even work because the battery was so low on charge. So this is where she sits as of now. New alternator will hopefully be coming by the end of this weekend, so in a couple videos, hopefully, fingers crossed, and she'll be back on the road after that with the new ABS module, which I guess I didn't even technically need. Hopefully that'll solve the problem. So just a heads up, if you guys get an ABS light on your car, it might, and hopefully most likely isn't, your ABS module. It's actually something else. So with that being said, that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, I guess, give it a thumbs up. I'll see y'all next time.
Check your body.